What's up, big doggies? What's up, big doggies? Another video, another grind, baby. Rainy, come here, give me a hug. Oh yeah, that's my Rainy. We did a party yesterday, man. Let's see what we got left. We ain't gonna eat this though. I think that's birria or carnitas, something. Some chile. Ooh, man, bust. Yeah, this ain't gonna be eating no more. Too many flies. Some cake, some tortillas. My baby Rain. Should I work out at the gym today? I don't know, man. It's a chest day. Ooh, get them gains in. Nah, I'm just gonna go to the gym. I forgot my wrist wraps. Look, these ones were old, so threw it away. Well, I didn't throw them away. Just whenever somebody wants to work out with me, and then I got these bad boys. But all right, y'all. Back to my pre-workout. The Glacier Cherry Gatorade. I got a new pre-workout flavor, pink lemonade. So we're gonna try this out, see how it is. I actually bought two. I had to restock, you know, kiwi strawberry. That's the one I'm always wrong with, but I just wanted to try this one out because I've seen some people making some little cocktails out of them. So I was like, let me give it a shot. Man. Still got that dangerous smell. If y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so add this in there. 1 full scoop of pink lemonade. Okay. After we put the pre-workout in there, take some creatine. 2 scoops of creatine, you know. Always gotta go with the 2 scoops. Always gotta go with the 2 scoops, BBG. Alright. Got a heavy bench day, man. I'm gonna try to go. Well, I don't know. My goal, like in my head that I'm thinking about right now, is doing 315 for 1. But if I don't have it, then I don't have it, you know? Gotta take my strong joints. Cause I want to do 315. I want to do a pause 315, but if it's not in, if I don't got it today, I don't want to like force myself, you know. So the highest, if I don't do it, the highest I'll do is probably like 295. And then for my back downs, 265, 255, around there, maybe, hopefully. But I already know the gym's gonna be packed, so let me get all this stuff ready, and then I'm gonna check in with y'all once I start doing them lifts, man. So let's get it. All right, Iron Bangerz, man. We just finished our workout. I'm looking big, man. I got a little pump. The sun be busting. Woo! But I did 295. Well, I did 315, but it was kind of a struggle. That was like a 8 or 9 load, and I was just supposed to do a 7. So I think I overshot a little bit. I'm about to text it to my coach, see what he thinks. But yeah, we did 315 pause bench, a little struggle like I said. And then we did 255 for some back downs, and man, that was killing me. Like, I was like, oh, I just want to go to sleep. Like, y'all ever work out and after like a heavy lift, you're like, I'm so tired, I don't want to do nothing else. Well, that was me, man. And then we finished off with some dumbbell flat bench, and then some spider curls and some face pulls, and that was it. But tomorrow we got a heavy squat day. I might PR again, man. I might go something higher than 325, maybe. Don't say that I'm gonna. I said maybe. But yeah, man, that's all for this part of the video. So I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Let's get it. Iron Bangerz, man. Fresh out of work. But it's a squat day. Second half of the video. I'm gonna try to do another PR, man. I'm gonna try my best. Hey, y'all messing with this shirt? Milwaukee Bucks. But hey, I'm gonna try my best to get this PR. I know I PR'd like 2 weeks ago, but 2 or 3 weeks ago. But my coach said he thinks I'm ready for another one. I went on a run yesterday, a 2-mile run, and my legs are kind of sore. So if I don't get it, I mean, I can't make no excuses. It depends on how I feel, and I'm feeling sore, so I'm gonna try. If I feel like I don't got it in me, then I'm just not gonna do it. But after that, we got some other back down, so I'm about to show y'all that. But let's check in with y'all at the gym, so let's get it. All right, Iron Bangerz, man. We did it. Another PR. I squatted 340 for my top set, and that felt easy. I don't know if it was from the pre-workout, like taking too much or what. I don't think I took too much. I just took a full scoop. And then we did 315, 5x4. So that was easy. It's crazy. I never thought I'd be able to do like 315 for reps. I was always scared, like almost in the 270s, but we graduated from the 270s, baby. Damn. Shout out to my coach too. Though. My squad went up almost 50 pounds in 6 weeks. That's crazy. Like, that's a lot if you think about it. I was squatting 280, 290-ish. And not even good depth. And then he helped me with my depth, always correcting me. So shout out to him. And man, 340. I feel like I'm going to hit 400 by the end of this year. If I keep grinding, I'm going to be squatting 400. I promise you. Let me know if y'all want a video of how to increase your squat, man. I'm that guy now. I'm that guy, pal. But yeah, man, that's all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. And without further ado, Iron Bangerz, I'm out. Keep banging them weights. Peace.